up guys, this is Mike. I'm back with another video. Today's video is unboxing the Rupes 15mm Mach 3. So I went ahead and got the 15. I did have the 21, but the throw was too much on the cars I detail. I detail a lot of high-end like Porsches, and there's a lot of smaller cars. So I went ahead and got this bad boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Cut the tape. Oh, wham. 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 Oh yeah, never cut the knife before yet. Okay. Ooh, she's a birdie. That's how it comes boxed in. So I know it's on the Mach. On the Mach 2, you had the, it would say detailing up top, but this is this 15 Bigfoot. Alright, what we got in here? First thing we got is instruction, Rupes. Let's see, what does it come in here? I think you get, pretty cool, they give you a little 2 Bigfoot stickers. Alright, you got the instruction manual, just tell you original version. They have it in Italian. That's pretty cool. Alright, and this one is show you how to lubricate it, everything like that, and cord management. And extension cord is what it shows, so it's pretty cool. Alright, now this is, what's this? Let's see. I think that's just a regular thing. It's the same thing. It's just in Italian. And this is the warranty, part number, and everything. It'd be a little. And this is pretty cool too. This is the Rupes Polishing System User Guide. So for a lot of beginners, if you do get this, it'll show you what compounds and what pads you use. It'll show you the coarse, medium, fine, coarse, medium, fine, ultra fine. And show it like blue, use the blue pad, the green, use green pad, you know, that's pretty cool. And on the back it show you what not to do. Center the pad, dispensing the compound, pad angle, polishing action, no extra load. So yeah, that's the instructions and everything they give you. Pretty cool. Put these bad boys back up in there. I'll lose it. Alright. Go ahead and take out the box. So, LHR15 Mach 3. So it comes with, I think it comes with a little pretty long cord. I think it comes with a 15 foot, I think. I'm not 100% sure. A lot better, man, a lot better. See, the 21 was just too big for me. It's too big. This ain't the right size, but hey, you think they would make it. But this is what came on the 21. Oh yeah, big difference. Good size, the 5-inch backing plate. And you also get the little Allen wrench for the tool. So you take off, let's see here, I'll show you how to do it. Put this in there, just a little loose too. So make sure, if you do get one, tighten it, because that was loose. Nice quality, you can just tell it's nicely built. So here's the backing plate. I mean, good for the air, so it won't get hot. Some people, they have the 21, they go ahead and put the 5-inch backing plate on it. But Rupes and everything, they prefer not to do that. And I wouldn't either. I mean, just like you said, it's made for the 5-inch backing plate, and the 21 is made for the 6. And they say the 21 is more for like body shop, and it's like bigger panels and stuff like that. And the 15 is more for detailers and detailing. You know what I mean? Polishing cars, compounding cars, and stuff like that. So yeah, I mean, you can just tell just in the quality. It's just nice, man. The backing plate's just, it's not some just thin junk. You know what I mean? There's the inside, the little weight and thing. It's a lot better, man. A lot better than 21. So if you're into detailing a lot, I would get the 15 over the 21. Yes, the 21 might sound better because you get more, you can cover more area quicker. But really, I had it and it would just on fenders and even on little bumpers, it would just slow down. So you gotta have it in the right angle, stuff like that. It's too difficult. Let's get the 15. I would. So that's why I went ahead and just got this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the backing plate back on, and it's pretty cool. I mean, it all matches on there. See, little grooves, so it's easy to put on. Make sure you tighten the bolt. You don't want to tighten it too tight, but just enough. You know what I mean? Make it snug. But when I unloosened it, it was loose coming from the factory. So, matter of fact, when I had the 21, when I started using that. When I had the 21, I started using that. I think it came loose because it started making noise. So you make sure to just tighten that bad boy before you even start using it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just plug her in, start it up. So I got some scissors. Let me cut this. Be careful if we don't cut the cord. Knife away. They also say too, like on these cords, like a lot of people they get the cord and they go ahead and wrap it around the body. I prefer not. I prefer you don't do that at all because that will mess up the end and stuff. I would just, you know what I mean, when you get done polishing or whatever, compounding, just wrap it up like this. You know, because it'd be a lot safer because if you wrap it around here, I mean, you're messing up the cord and you know, bend this and it's not worth it. Especially a $500 tool. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Make sure everything's nice and snug. Okay. This is awesome though, like see the Allen wrench, it goes right in here so you always have it on you. And it won't fall out either. I've seen a lot of people worried about if you're polishing or compounding, you know what I mean, and it'll fall out and scratch the car, but I mean, look, it's in there good. So, put it back in there, just make sure you got it pushed in. So yeah. Not too loud either, nice and just like some of these polishers you're getting a real loud, like, whoa. Yeah, too much. So yeah, man, this is a beautiful tool. Can't wait to use it this weekend, or actually this week, Monday and Tuesday. I got a couple of polishes to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this bad boy. And I also got me some pads. I didn't get Rupes pads. They say use their pads and stuff, but I mean, that's all in here. You know what I mean, if you want to. So I went ahead and got some of these. I got the polishing. This is polishing and wax. You can use it for wax too. They have a white one, but you can go ahead and use this one for wax too if you need to. So polish, and this is mid. You can do this. This is good on for like 1 steps and light scratches. Pretty nice pads too. Let me open right here. See. Oh, nice pads. I've actually used the burgundy one for compounding cars, and it took it. I mean, it took the paint, the scratches and swirls down to almost like 95%. So that's nice. Let me open the polished one. And these are called Eurotech. Eurotech. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's good. So it's not too soft, but it's in good shape. And this is the one you compound real good. Oh yeah. See, this is kind of stiff. So this is what you want to use when you want to get some deep scratches out. Not, I mean, deep enough so you don't have to wet sand, you know what I mean? But this is nice pads. And I think I bought these from I got this from my local chemical guy, you know what I mean? He comes to my work, and he's the one that bought me the 21. And I get a lot of my pads and all my chemicals from him. And I got some more videos coming on the way of his all-purpose cleaner. And that shit, I mean, that stuff is excellent. I compared it to the Meguiar's D101. Man, his all-purpose cleaner is... I'm gonna go ahead and do another video on that later. But yeah, so I went and bought the things. I think it's like $9 a piece. 3 pads. And I think they fit on it pretty good too. Make sure you line up, they say. You always want to make sure it's lined up. You don't want to have it, you know what I mean? You don't want to have it all, because it won't be smooth. Well, I can't. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That 21's just, man, that's 6-inch. You're gonna get a 6-inch backing plate. So the pads are actually like 7. So I can only use it on like hoods and like just the door, but a lot of the fenders, a lot of the Porsches I have, and a lot of the, you know what I mean, BMWs and like stuff like that, I cannot use a 21. So alright guys, that's today's video. The unboxing of my brand new Mach 3 15mm. So yeah, remember, like and subscribe and hit the little bell. Peace.